Good day, grade 9 learners, and welcome to this video lesson in preparation for our activities next week. So this week, musolve ta og age problems. So here's example number 1. Sheila and Ruby are sisters. If Sheila is twice as old as Ruby and the product of their ages is 98, how old are they now? So let's analyze the problem. Pangitaon nato ang given ug ang ask. So, unsa man ang mga given? Yes, you are correct. So, we have statements like Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. And we have another phrase, product of their ages is 98. Very good. And now, what is the ask? Unsa man ang mga unknowns? Unsa ang gipangita nga information? Unsa ang mga ask? Alright, very good. Naa sa question ang atong ask. Ang question kay how old are they now? So, ang ask kay ang present ages ni Sheila ug ni Ruby. Alright, so after analyzing the problem to identify the given ask, magrepresentation na ta. Atong i-represent ang unknown with letters and variables. So, balik ta sa atong first given. Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. So, gamiton tani nga statement in words para sa representation na step. Unsa man ang pasabot sa representation? When we say representation, atong i-translate ug i-represent ang given sa story or sa problem into algebraic expressions para ni sa analyze the problem na step. Again, i-represent nato ang given using algebraic expressions. Unsa ganito ang statement, ang useful statement para sa atong representation sa given? Yes. The statement in words nga, Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. Now, let's analyze further the problem. Let's analyze the given statement. Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. Kinsa man ang manghod? Yes, si Ruby ang manghod. Kinsa man ang maguwang? Yes, si Sheila ang maguwang or ang elder sister. Always remember, class, atong i-represent ang age sa manghod with a variable x. So we say, let x be the age of Ruby. Now, let's have this concrete scenario. Let's assume nga ang age ni Ruby kay 10. Unya, ingon ta nga ang age ni Sheila twice sa age ni Ruby. Unsa man ang buhaton nato sa age ni Ruby nga 10? Yes, ang 10 nga age ni Ruby atong timesan og 2. Twice man. So, dublihon nato ang age ni Ruby. So, we multiply 2 to 10. Pila man na ang 10 times 2? Yes, 10 times 2 is 20. Karon, wala man ta kahibalo sa age ni Ruby, no? Diri nga problem, wala ta kabalo sa age ni Ruby. Mao nga gi-represent nato ang unknown nga age ni Ruby with letter X. So we say, let X be the age of Ruby. So we represent the age of Ruby with X. Unsa gani ang operation or unsa ang atong buhaton sa age ni Ruby para makuha ang age ni Sheila? Yes, so we now have the statement x times 2. Pila man ang x times 2? Yes, x times 2 is equal to 2x. Unsa gani ning 2x nga representation? Yes, you are correct. So we can say 2x be the age of Sheila. Again, we represent the age of Ruby with x. Rubiho na to ang x. So we multiply 2 to x. 2 times x or x times 2 is equal to 2x. Alright, so as a recap, under the analyze the problem step, we write the statement in words. Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. That's like a given statement, right? And then we represent the unknowns with algebraic expressions. So we say x with the age of Ruby, kay manghod man si Ruby. So ang age ni Ruby, atong i-represent og x. And then we also say 2x with the age of Sheila. Kay ang age ni Sheila twice man sa age ni Ruby, dubliho nato ang x. Right? So karon for step number 2, we formulate the equation. Unsa man nga given phrase ang atong gamiton or ang makatabang para sa atong algebraic equation? Yes, the phrase nga, the product of their ages is 98. Usually, the second phrase, no, the second given statement. Yes. When we say product, unsa man ang operation? Yes, ang operation kay multiplication. So, we multiply. Unsa man ang atong i-multiply? Yes, we multiply the age of Ruby and the age of Sheila. So, unsa gani ang multiplication sentence? Yes, so we say in words, Ruby's age times Sheila's age is 98. Karon, atong i-represent ang multiplication sentence in words into symbols. Unsa man ang representation sa Ruby's age? Yes, it's x. So we write x under the box of Ruby's age. Nya, unsa man ang symbol sa times? Yes, we write the dot operator for the multiplication under the box of times. Nya, unsa man ang representation para sa Sheila's age? Yes, we write 2x sa ubos sa box of Sheila's age. Unsa ganito ang symbol para sa word nga is? Yes, ang symbol para sa word nga is kay ang equal sign. And then we copy 98. So we write equals 98 para sa box nga is 98. Ron, let's perform the operation para sa atong algebraic equation. So we say and write x times 2x is equal to 98. So we write it this way. X times 2x is equal to 98. And now we solve the equation and state the answer. We're solving for x. So we now have this multiplication sentence, x times 2x is equal to 98. So we transform this equation into its standard form. So we say x times x is x squared. X squared times 2 is 2x squared. Copy equal sign, copy 98. Now, to find the value of x, dapat extra ang mahabilin sa left side of the equation. So, dapat walay numerical coefficient o walay exponent. Alright, so let's start by removing the numerical coefficient nga 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So, 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. 98 divided by 2 is 49. Now, to remove the exponent, we perform the square root operation. We put radical sign to both sides. So, square root of x squared is x, and square root of 49 is positive negative 7. Our roots or ang values of x kay negative 7 or positive 7. Pero ang negative 7, wala man nag-make sense as an age of Ruby. So we say that the age of Ruby is 7. Now we solve for the age of Sheila. Unsa gani ang representation para sa age of Sheila? Yes, ang representation para sa age ni Sheila is 2x. So we say and we write Sheila's age is equal to 2x. Then we substitute x with the value of x, which is 7. Ilisa na to ang letter x, ang variable x with 7. So we say and write 2 times 7. Then we perform multiplication. 2 times 7 is 14. Therefore, Ruby is 7 years old while Sheila is 14 years old. Right? So, pwede na ito butangan og label ang 14 as Sheila's age. Okay, so sa inyong solution, pwede nga ani ang hitsura. So you have the solution step, and then for the answer part, we have x equal to 7, and then we put comma, and then label it as Ruby's age. And then we say 2x equal to 14. Then we write comma, and then label 14 as Sheila's age. And then followed by the conclusion part. Therefore, Ruby is 7 years old, while Sheila is 14 years old. Right, karon for the checking part. So let us check using the conditions given in the problem. Is Sheila twice as old as Ruby? So we have this equation. Sheila's age is equal to 2 times Ruby's age. And then substitute Ruby's age, which is 7. Then compute 2 times 7 is 14. So yes, Sheila is twice as old as Ruby. Now, is the product of the ages 98. So we have this equation, Ruby's age times Sheila's age is equal to 98. And then substitute, Ruby's age is 7, Sheila's age is 14. 7 times 14 is indeed 98. So we arrive at a true statement. So, sakto ang atong answer. Alright, so class, please study example number 2 of the module. And thank you so much for watching and studying this video and studying the module. It is so lovely to serve you all, and we hope that you have learned something.